you ever wish you could skip out on mowing the lawn, right? Maybe you could have a robot do it for you instead.
Sounds amazing. And this morning, Garden Guy Dale Kay is taking us to the Toro company in Bloomington to share how they're advancing technology for our backyard.
G'day everyone. You probably heard about smart homes, but have you heard about smart gardens? Well, there is such a thing. This morning we are here at Toro Company in Bloomington talking about technology in the garden. Emily Bly is an expert here, so tell us a little bit about smart gardening.
Yeah, thanks for having me, and welcome to our Toro backyard. We're here to talk about, just like you said, everything you know and love about the smart yard is now, or smart home is now in your smart yard. And right here behind me, you can see we have Haven, our autonomous mower. It mows everything within a perimeter, no wires, no grounding. It has the cameras inside of it that help navigate the yard.
Also, it navigates itself around.
It navigates itself around, yep. And so you can set it, it'll be all integrated with an app feature. So again, very familiar with the technology out here that we have today. So you can set it, you can time it, you can watch it, and do everything that you need to do.
So how does it actually work?
Yeah, great question. So you'll take your autonomous mower out and you'll map your yard and the whole area. You'll push it through and it'll map it out onto your app. And then once you're ready to do your next mow, it'll remember that mapping that it did. And so you'll just click start and end, and then all through the app you can use that to start, stop it, and do everything that. So then it'll be connected to the whole ecosystem that you have set up with the Haven platform.
Folks might be nervous with, robotic mowers and battery-powered equipment.
Yep.
What's kind of the runtime of this equipment, and how big of a yard can you mow?
Yeah, great question. So the Haven mower will mow up to an acre and a half.
Oh wow.
Yep, all by itself. And then our battery-powered mowers, they can run up to 2/3 of an acre on a single charge. But that doesn't mean that you can't put in another battery and then just keep on mowing. So with the brushless technology, it is much quieter than gas because of the way that the engine is composed.
Yeah, that's actually a really good thing.
Yes.
That
Yes.
nothing worse than laying in bed on a Sunday morning and your neighbor decides to fire up the lawnmower.
Yes, that is probably the running joke, is that you can get up early and start mowing or start doing your yard work and not have to annoy your neighbors.
So I know Toro is doing a lot with mowers and all their power equipment, battery powered of course, and even a mower that if you love, like watching the twins, you love that striping, right?
Yes.
It stripes as well.
Yes, absolutely. So Toro is coming out with some really amazing innovations in our battery platform. We're coming up with the most complete lineup of battery mowers, and one of those is the stripe mower, and it did with patent pending pro level striping integrated into it. There's a integrated bar that when you mow your lawn, it will stripe it naturally for you, so it creates the lawn envy of the neighborhood for sure.
That is so cool.
Yes.
And I guess the thing about the battery powered equipment, it runs all through the season, all through the tools, right?
Correct. So our 60-volt lineup is one power, powers all the tools in the Toro platform right now. We have only over 75 plus tools. So you can run all of your mowers up to over a half acre on a single charge. You can string trim, you can leaf blow, you can do anything that you need to do to really get your lawn all ready. And then when the seasons change, you can switch it into your snow blower as well. And so it's really a great platform. These are outdoor performance ready batteries that really withstand the test of time.
And then where do you see technology in the garden going? Where does Toro see that in?
Yeah. So we're definitely looking into everything that your yard can accomplish for you, whether it's water, irrigation, the lighting, smart plugs so you can plug in music and just complete your whole entire experience and be always ready lawn.
All right, I'm starting to feel a little bit old now because, back in the day, I just had this real mower, and now you can power your microwave, your air conditioning, all that from your home. But this stuff, this smart gardening that Toro's coming up with, very, very cool. With that, I'm going to leave it back to you.